Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's not the way I understood it at all.
Welcome home, Jim.
Thank you. We made it.
Bum, bum. Oh, we made it. Look at Jim. No, it wasn't. God, this is the best. We're back to the ship. It's raining so hard. So we're in a Harmony of Seas. James.
A new ship for us.
This new ship. Here, you hold and I'll
follow you around.
follow me around.
Okay. That's Valerie.
I'm Valerie. Val.
Val.
And Jim and Val. Where do you want to start? Where should we start?
Probably in the closet.
Here's the entryway.
That's a good start.
First thing I noticed is the bathroom is different than on any other ship we've ever been on. I'm not sure if it's just exclusive to this room or all the rooms, but got a full-length mirror. You got a desk, another mirror, a chair. You have all these outlet plugs. See, all those little...
Oh, you got a USB port.
Yeah.
You got a light switch for your beauty mirror.
Mm-hmm. You're beautiful, Jim.
Mm-hmm.
You got a closet. Pretty good sized closet. Got a nice couch. Lovely artwork. You like that artwork?
Yeah.
That's your girlfriend, Jim. You have all these drawers. This top drawer has breakfast menu. And those are all our waters.
Yeah, that doesn't come with the room.
Fabric softener, hair dryer, tissues. Here's your cooler. It's not a refrigerator, it's a cooler. If you need anything else, for medicine, you have to ask for something colder. Whew. Another closet.
This one's got the shelves in
This
it.
reminds me of Quantum of the Seas. Is there money in there? Dun, dun, dun.
No.
No money. Got a nice closet.
Oh.
Drawers.
Drawers.
There's a lot of storage here.
Mm-hmm. And under the bed, which we will
put our
do
luggage.
the luggage check.
We got a nice big old TV. Does this pull out?
It should.
Oh,
yes,
look at
it does.
Pull your TV out.
Yeah.
Nice bed. 2 end tables, very little.
No,
There's an outlet on that side.
Done. I like to put if I have the telephone, I like to put it down below.
Oop, lightning, they were right.
Woo!
There's outlet on that side. This side doesn't look like there's outlet.
This has a 110 and a light switch for the whole house. So
That's my controls.
uh-oh.
Let's look at the bathroom.
All right.
You see, this is a little different.
Oh, wow.
It kind of reminds me of the Quantum of the Seas.
That is a dandy of a bath.
You got, this opens. I think there's plenty of room for a bigger person to get in there. A little fluffy, no problems. You got some cabinet space under
The trash.
trash. And then there's an all-in-one in there. Double duty hair and body. Yep. 2 hooks. Again, it's good. It looks really clean. Looks cleaner than the last ship we were on.
It does.
So this is home.
Home sweet home.
Yay!
Home sweet home.
Let's go check out the balcony and
Okay.
dodge the lightning. Oops.
And the handle has to go up. Exit.
I like these. Wow,
These are
look
the
at
good
that view.
Yeah, we got the... Whoa.
Oh, it's lightning. like and subscribe. Oh my God, it's thundering. What an embarkation day that is, huh?
Yeah.
Look at all our little friends.
Started a zoo.
We started a zoo.
Good room.
Good room. Balcony room. Good room. It was perfect. I want to say the beds are hard here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought a topper that was 1.5 inches, and it still didn't help.
It didn't help, but it wasn't bad. My hip doesn't hurt too bad. One night I was in pain.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was a good room. Everything was perfect. You want to see what our room attendant left us?
Quack, quack.
Oh my gosh. Our room attendant did that. I'm not sure how many days it's been there, but definitely, I guess they're into hiding ducks too.
Yeah.
So, awesome.
Really
Okay.
good cruise. We had
Perfect
fun.
cruise.